Once I have enough responses for this specific survey, I can go and do my report. I simply click the Analysis tab, and then I can go down to the bottom menu, Report, and click New. I add a report name. For an example, I want to do a report on all the questions in my survey, so I just call this report Total Report and click OK. Now that I've created my report name, I can add content to it by clicking here. Here I can click the content which I want in my report. So for an example, I want to know how my respondents answered on the question, how do you find the weather today? Simply click the question and the Add button just above frequency. Let's say I had a question about what gender are you? I could have added that to the cross side, and then I could have seen if men and women answered differently to the question, how do you find the weather today? The cross section is good for making comparisons in your report between questions. In the bottom, I can choose how I want my report items to be shown, whether I want just table or graph, or whether I want both. For now, I just want both, so I just click OK. One item has been added to my report. To see how my report looks like, I can simply go down to Report and click the button View. Here I can see what my report will look like once I export it. I can both see here my table and my graph. I can now export my report by simply going to the bottom menu, Export. Here I can do a couple of different exports. I can do a standard export, which allows me to download an Excel report. I can also make a Word report of open answers by simply clicking the Word icon here. I can also share my report online by clicking this button. First, I have to publish my online report. I can change the name of the report, and I can add a password to my report. I simply click OK, and now a link will appear next to my report name. This link I can copy-paste and send to my colleagues or other stakeholders, and they will have an opportunity to see the report. The answers for this report will be updated continuously.